this mad dog, this terrorist about Obazee, I saw that his mother have not been able to quarantine him. His crazy mother and himself.
Hello my people, how na dey also na dey fine. This video wanna just watch so na Eranomigho na do message to Albert Ogbeti, one of UK, because Omagba Veva na only one. I will put this video more na watch am. Last time Eranomigho fair tell Albert say make him mind the business. Una know say Albert dey use that when they do caricature. Una know say Albert talk say if papa not trade them, so they not sabi respect senior. Na him use the man take talk am. So Eranomigho don come out now say at any time where Albert take talk to her anyhow, he take insult am. He say na him mama and him papa na him go dey give because Albert too small for am. This about now, senior way not get sense. So you carry your mama come UK. You don't let your mama drink water drop cup. You don't let her enjoy in peace. You can't do anyhow for social media. And your mama picture they fly all over the social media. All in the name of say now you go dey find trouble. You don't still go up where Eranomigho dey now. You know as he saga before body. Or we head boabati. Or which when you wa book bejo he don't talk and don't talk. Make I put the video make una hear wetin he talk. About mind your business. Obaseki not there for governor again. You say you know they mind your business because egbekun wenenia e dey you know na about na anything bekene e go come out. Anyway, make una watch on and bye bye for now. Help me to love and like and share. God bless you as you do. I appreciate each and every one. Una bye bye.
One just called me and said I should go ahead and check a video. I saw that this mad dog, this terrorist about Obazee, I saw that his mother have not been able to quarantine him. His crazy mother and himself, both of them are crazy. They have not been able to take medication, and he continue to insult his mother and his father. I don't know why. The reason why he's so obsessed with Benin indigene when they are moving forward. I wonder what happened to his Mercedes that he said he bought. A rental Mercedes that he claimed he bought. I wonder what happened to it. So I am going to use Benin to send a message to him and his mother. Abati, wabi you and the women are la wifi be. Igbe ma ohi you igbe ma oho igbe ma oho do bonu wa ye igbe ma oho ra. Eve meme omagwena ro enwa inwune boso omo eni gbovo alowo. Unu gba ma popo we ba mi go no ba se ki re di mo fi re stainless inowe. Unu gba nebo re ba ra vi you e ba you e we ma membe you e kun mi. We mu you ade you keru do gbo. We ma be you e kun mi. We ma be you e ni o no mi you e ni ma go kun mi. O ma ri you e ni ge o ho ni you e u go olowo. Na wa be you wa bun won na wa be ra vi you. Itama we. Anytime I una anything. Anytime we no man mind business when he ravi you a big aro. Because very dear way, he ravi you a dear me. No good better be you. Wa hun to our gbon. Every bosto igbo hun. E jolosina log we gbofo no ma jok we bear you ha o wa. Where? Ni wole bosto na mo or breaking news we that's why I bring update come that's so you rush back, you go open this thing breaking news now you can carry breaking news are you down wa sun ohoro man mu kian we abe lo kan we lo you fugede ni ere you won ma be o here oni setiku oni no wia la wa bu wa ya wa ku la wa ku re you are competing with somebody that is not competing with you. You are just jealous. We motto after motto can web carry your carry Mercedes when insurance give you make you drive for a few days. When they come out they brag, they tell people pra wa bon wa huntu wa gbogbe ko we gbera. How can you be close? Because of this your bad behavior you were close to the governor. They will give you work. You say no. You don't want to work. You don't want to do it. Everything that they give him in Obazee administration, he refused. He just want a handout. As a power get the do now. That is all he want. No lorry. No winner. Wa gbeo. A video how I can have a video now. She said, "Man, go banana. A video who the last one in now. A video who winning or who winning ne kebeno wiani no vuge agbe wenu mu yo wa oni hen ya mu video wa hu dun awagmo ne ko me aduru my wife do me well they all who no were webo na agbon afio ebe 5 years dey agbe yo bo iwe you carry o kan we aso amu e ho ban e ga mu e ne o pe de kasike gile ti wo obi o me ma ri you gile me I don't know say your mad Chris because at the year Casio they say Kresuma picking. I don't know say not true. If me get your beg and I give you when me get one. Where me you? My beg, mammy or year. Mammy or year, oh, Mwede. Wa huntu wa be ugbo you ma yo to you bo ugo you ubewe where me you can't dey fear make your wife not cut you out. Any day your wife cut you out, you are in Nigeria. Agbon fi we okpo woman rapa idiot terrorist about Obazee ogun ogbo woman rapa. My wife do me well. Man when come up for Nigeria, can't they stay under woman for abroad? He would call himself man. Nonsense. Now you are trying to set a Stone against Tony Kabaka. That have been your word. That is how you set me up with against a lot of people. That have been your work. That is how you survive. That is how you live. You cannot live without chaos. You are a chaos magnet. That is what you are, terrorist about Obazee. Problem magnet. That is what you are. A pathological liar. Can you imagine? How many work they give you? Pause. I don't tell you, say, see this one, you say, you know they do that one. You know they do that one. Wa de yeke weke gui. Wa hu du wa salo awi pa ba. Wa bi you wa bira wa. No be the movie saying in the you and low yeke you. No hu du if you any of my team you the run who are le terrorists about Obazee. We are hero man. Why you cut to man? Where's it be? Okay, here our pay you our boom terrorists. Well, when we were doing, I for do, we're doing. I for do, I for do. We feed on it. Tomorrow now you come out, hey, for that no. We feed on it, and we not we were doing, we're doing we dinner. You when come and say, you go that will not get case. You say, you go that will not get case. We are begging. We go that will you as an EU people boy. Just come out for now and say, now we go to drive your Mercedes. Which Mercedes? You don't even get Mercedes. Instead of you to tell people, say, your car get problem, insurance can't give you rental car. That rental car you want to use, then you came to the old world and lied to them. I beg.